I built a mini spray booth for my airbrush. I thought I would show it in action and then show the details of how I made it. Alright, well, this is the spray booth. I wanted to do this video early on after its creation because it's only going to get dirtier and just have more paint on it. This is probably the cleanest it'll ever be. It folds down so that it can take up less space, so I'll do that and open it up so you can see the inside and how I made it. Alright, so this is the inside. Here is the filter. I got it, I think, like 3 of them for $10. Doesn't have to be a particularly powerful filter because all the stuff that I'm spraying is acrylic paint and it's fairly harmless in general, but I just don't want it flying around in my kitchen. The fans that actually suck up all of the air are these 4 fans that I got from a server that someone had thrown into a dumpster. They all connect to this computer power supply. It's a bit overkill to have a whole power supply unit instead of just like a wall wart or something to bring the 12 volts, but that's what I had. To turn on the fans and the LED lights are these 2 switches that I got from a boat that my dad owned. So it's working out great, and it folds up and can be kind of put aside, giving me a whole lot more table space. Big improvement. Okay, bye.